No way. 免谈 Switch seats with me. 免谈 No way. 没门儿 She doesn't agree with that with a super strong accent. 绝不 No way. 绝不 Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ting. Today we're going to talk about no way in Chinese. I've prepared 8 movie clips. We will go through them one by one. At the end of the video, you will know how to say no way in different situations and when to say. Let's get started.
No way.
No way. I have seen this 100 times. In this situation, according to her accent, you may say 不行,不行,不行,不行的 No way. 不行的 Okay, next one.
No way.
No way. Just like you ordered. In this situation, it's hard to believe, but she hopes it will come true. You may say, 不可能吧,不可能吧 No way. 不可能吧 No way. It's hard to believe, and he hopes it will not come true. In this situation, you may say, 不会吧,不会吧不会吧不会吧 No way 不会吧
No way.
Switch seats with me. No way. No way. He doesn't agree to do this. According to his accent, you may use 免谈 No way. 免谈 Switch seats with me. 免谈免谈 Okay, I know you probably confused when to use 不行, when to use 免谈. Don't worry, watch to the end. I'll make summary later.
No way.
My orders are to guard this porch. No way. It's hard to believe, and they hope it will not come true. 不会吧 No way. 不会吧不会吧 Okay, next one.
No way. It's true.
No way. It's true. It's impossible. How could it possible? 不可能 No way. 不可能 Or if you want a stronger accent, you may say 怎么可能不可能 Or 怎么可能 Okay?
No way.
No way. I will not let it happen. She doesn't agree with that with a super strong accent. In this way, in this situation, you may say 绝不绝不 No way. 绝不绝不
No way.
No way. I will not agree with that. Okay, what to say? She's not agree with that, but her accent is not as strong as before. We may say 没门儿 No way. 没门儿 Okay, in sum up, you don't agree to do something. 不行免谈没门儿绝不 Okay, 不行 It's normal, no way. 免谈 You say it with angry. 没门儿 You are super angry. 绝不 You're extremely angry, and you will never ever let it happen. Alright? 不行免谈没门儿绝不 Secondly, it's hard to believe, but you hope it's true. What? I win 1 million? 不可能吧不可能吧不可能吧 Last one. It's hard to believe, and you hope it will not come true. We say 不会吧 Wow, no way 不会吧 I don't want it to happen 不会吧不会吧不会吧 Okay, that's everything for today. I hope you enjoy. Click like, subscribe. See you.